Have you ever stopped to wonder why humans have such a vast array of skin colors? It's a question that's as old as time, yet it's a topic that continues to pique our curiosity. It's a thread that weaves through the tapestry of our shared human history, a testament to our journey across continents, through eras, and into the present day. Think about it. From the porcelain-like complexion of a geisha in Kyoto, the sun-kissed tan of a surfer in California, to the rich dark hues of a Maasai warrior in Kenya. The array of skin colors is as diverse as the cultures and histories they represent. But why is this? What makes us so different and yet so similar? This question isn't just about the color of our skin. It's about the curiosity that drives us to explore and understand the world around us. It's about the science that explains biological phenomena. It's about the history that has shaped societies and the geography that has carved out civilizations. It's about the evolution that has sculpted us into the beings we are today. But this question also looks forward. As our world becomes increasingly interconnected, as cultures blend and borders blur, what will become of our skin color? Will we see a convergence, a merging of colors into one, or will our skin continue to tell a story of our diverse and distinct ancestry? Indeed, the question of skin color is more than just skin deep. It's a journey into our past, a reflection of our present, and a glimpse into our future. It's a narrative of adaptation and survival, of migration and integration, of science and society. So let's embark on this journey together. Let's unravel the intricate web of factors that account for the myriad hues of humanity. Let's delve into the depths of our genetic code, chart the paths of our ancestors, and ponder on the possibilities of our future. Understanding the reasons behind these differences can offer fascinating insights into our shared human history. You might be surprised to learn that the color of our skin is determined by a pigment known as melanin. Melanin is a fascinating substance. It's responsible for the color of our skin, hair, and eyes. But its role goes beyond just aesthetic. Melanin is essentially our body's natural sunscreen. It protects our skin cells from the harmful effects of ultraviolet radiation from the sun. There are two types of melanin, eumelanin and pheomelanin. Eumelanin is brown or black in color and is the predominant type of melanin found in people with dark skin, hair, and eyes. Pheomelanin, on the other hand, is red or yellow in color and is more common in people with light skin, hair, and eyes. Now, you might be wondering how these two types of melanin result in the wide spectrum of skin colors we see in people around the world. The answer lies in the amount and type of melanin produced by our bodies. Each of us has special cells in our skin called melanocytes. These cells produce and distribute melanin. If your melanocytes make a lot of eumelanin, your skin will be darker. If they make less eumelanin and more pheomelanin, your skin will be lighter. But here's where it gets really interesting. The production of melanin isn't a one-off process. It's influenced by a variety of factors, including exposure to sunlight. When your skin is exposed to the sun, your melanocytes are triggered to produce more melanin to protect your skin cells from UV radiation. This is why your skin tans when you spend time in the sun. However, this isn't the only factor at play. Genetics also play a crucial role in determining the amount and type of melanin your body produces. This is why skin color can vary so much between different ethnic groups and even within families. But what about people with albinism, you might ask? People with albinism have a genetic condition that affects the production of melanin. Their bodies produce little or no melanin, which leads to a lack of color in their skin, hair, and eyes. So, to sum it all up, the color of our skin is determined by a complex interplay between the type and amount of melanin our bodies produce, our exposure to sunlight, and our genetic makeup. It's a fascinating example of how our bodies adapt to the environment around us. Therefore, melanin is not just a pigment, it's our body's natural sunblock. But why do people from different regions exhibit different skin colors? This is a question that has puzzled humans for centuries. The answer, in part, lies in the relationship between geography and sunlight exposure, and how these two factors have shaped the diverse tapestry of human skin colors we see today. Let's break this down. Starting with geography, it's important to note that the intensity of sunlight varies across the globe. Around the equator, where the sun's rays hit the Earth directly, sunlight is more intense. As we move towards the poles, the sunlight becomes less direct and therefore less intense. Now, what does this have to do with skin color? Well, our skin color is determined by a pigment called melanin. The more melanin you have, the darker your skin. This pigment plays a critical role in protecting our skin from the harmful effects of ultraviolet radiation from the sun. It's like a natural sunscreen. Now let's delve into how evolution has influenced our skin color. One of the most intriguing theories about skin color's evolution is its correlation with diet. This is known as the diet-dependent theory. The idea here is that when our early ancestors shifted from a forest-dwelling lifestyle to savanna habitats, their diet changed dramatically. They began eating less foliage and more meat, which is high in vitamin D. And why is vitamin D important to this discussion? Because our skin synthesizes vitamin D when exposed to sunlight. This diet change meant that they didn't need as much sun exposure to produce vitamin D, leading to the evolution of darker skin. However, as some groups migrated away from the equator, sunlight became less intense, and these populations needed more vitamin D synthesis from lesser sunlight. This led to the evolution of lighter skin in these regions. It's a classic case of how our bodies adapt to our environment. Let's not forget about the role of sexual selection in the evolution of skin color. This theory posits that certain skin colors became more prevalent due to being considered more attractive, thereby increasing the likelihood of reproduction. However, proving this theory scientifically has been challenging as beauty standards vary widely across cultures and eras. Another theory revolves around the idea of genetic drift. This is the random fluctuation in the frequency of a gene variant in a population. Over time, these random changes can lead to significant differences in skin color, especially in smaller isolated populations. Then there's the immune response theory. Light skin allows for greater production of vitamin D, which boosts the immune response. This could have been a significant advantage in areas with less sunlight, where infections could pose a greater risk. Conversely, darker skin provides better protection against ultraviolet radiation, reducing the risk of skin cancer. These theories are not mutually exclusive. They could all have played a part in the evolution of our skin color diversity. It's likely a complex interplay of various factors. What's fascinating is that despite these differences in skin color, genetically, we are almost identical. The Human Genome Project revealed that 99.9% of our genetic material is the same across all humans. The color of our skin is determined by a tiny fraction of our genetic makeup. Yet, it's one of the most visible and widely recognized human characteristics. Remember, the color of our skin is just a reflection of our adaptation to the environment. It's a testimony to our species' ability to survive and thrive in a wide range of conditions. It's an emblem of the journey we've undertaken from our African cradle to every corner of the globe. Thus, evolution has been a significant player in shaping the skin color diversity we see today. So, what could be the future of our skin color with our increasingly globalized world? As we navigate the 21st century, it's interesting to ponder this question. The world is a melting pot of cultures and ethnicities, more so now than ever before. This blending of cultures is not just metaphorical, but also biological. As people from different corners of the earth meet, mingle, and marry, they create a rich tapestry of human diversity. This in turn influences the genetic pool from which future generations will emerge. One might wonder if this increased intermingling of populations will lead to a more homogeneous skin tone in the future. The answer to that is a bit complex. While it's true that increased intermarriage between ethnicities may lead to a blending of skin colors, it's also crucial to remember that skin color is influenced by a multitude of genes. This means that even if there is a trend towards a more uniform skin tone, there will still be a wide variety of shades and hues. Moreover, evolution is not a linear process. It's a dynamic, ever-changing phenomenon that responds to environmental pressures and genetic variation. Just as our ancestors adapted to their environments, future generations may also evolve in response to new challenges and opportunities. There's also the exciting field of genetic engineering to consider. As our understanding of genetics advances, we may one day have the ability to influence our physical traits, including skin color, at a genetic level. This could open up a whole new realm of possibilities. allowing us to customize our appearance in ways we can only dream of today. In conclusion, the future of skin color is as diverse and exciting as its past. It's a testament to our shared journey as a species, a story written in the genes we pass on to our children. As we move forward into this uncharted territory, it's important to remember that our diversity is our strength, a beautiful testament to the rich tapestry of human life. The future of skin color is as diverse and exciting as its past. We've covered a lot of ground today, from the science behind skin color to the impact of geography and evolution. Let's take a moment to encapsulate everything we've discussed. We began our journey by posing an intriguing question. Why do humans from different ethnicities have varying skin colors? We found that the answer lies in the beautiful complexity of our genetic makeup, influenced by our ancestors' environments and survival needs. Our exploration took us deep into the science of skin color. We delved into the role of melanin, a pigment that determines the color of our skin, hair, and eyes. Produced by cells called melanocytes, melanin serves a protective purpose, shielding our skin from harmful ultraviolet rays. The more melanin you have, the darker your skin tends to be. From the microscopic realm, we zoomed out to examine the role of geography in shaping skin color. We discovered that our ancestors' proximity to the equator played a significant role in determining their skin color. Those living closer to the equator, where the sun is most intense, developed darker skin as a natural sunscreen. Conversely, those in northern regions, where sunlight is less intense, developed lighter skin to absorb more sunlight and produce sufficient vitamin D. The story of skin color is also a tale of evolution. Over generations, humans adapted to their environments, and skin color evolved as a survival mechanism. Dark skin offered protection against the sun's harmful rays in tropical regions, while lighter skin facilitated vitamin D production in less sunny climates. But what about the future of skin color? In our increasingly global and interconnected world, where people from diverse ethnic backgrounds intermingle and start families, the palette of human skin color is becoming even more diverse. This beautiful blending of colors is a testament to the ever-evolving nature of humanity. In conclusion, the variety in human skin color is a testament to our species' adaptability and evolution. It's a fascinating journey through time and across continents, telling the story of our ancestors' survival, migration, and adaptation. Yet, while our skin color is an essential part of our identity, it's crucial to remember that it's just one small part of what makes us human. Our shared experiences, emotions, dreams, and aspirations, the things that connect us on a deeper level, are what truly define us. So, as we marvel at the diversity of human skin colors, let's also celebrate our shared humanity. Our differences make us unique, but our shared traits unite us. Remember, our skin color is just one small part of what makes us human. It's our shared humanity that truly defines us, not the color of our skin.